How much?
35.
Alright.
No, 45.
145.
145. Kasi na. Frank. Pakiabot nga, please. Pati yan, pakiabot nga.
Too much.
Here. Ayan yung change mo.
You call?
Called 145.
No plop.
I want my seat back then. Well,
Now you want this seat, eh? It's all good, brother. It's all
I'm
good.
just joking. No, I'm just joking. There's a lot of big guys, man. I can't hear. It's not how.
Okay, let me see what happened.
Kulang lang isa. Gary, you bring Captain Morgan. Kulang lang isa. You bring Captain Morgan. Yeah. How much left is race?
You raise? I push all in. All in.
Oh, fuck it. I'm blocked. I'm gonna gamble.
Just proud of you guys.
You gamble, huh?
I have to.
Give me 145. This is 145. This is 145.
So 145.
And this is 145. Okay, the rest is this one.
I call all in.
No, give me this first.
Okay, good. Okay. Side part. And then both of you guys.
Yeah, give me this first. 134. 134.
134.
You too, 134.
Okay, 135. Put it
Okay,
that way.
135.
Yeah.
Right.
It's easier that way.
135.
Yes.
135.
Come on, I don't even want one.
That's
I want
135.
135.
I want a flop.
Okay,
What?
this is
Fuck yeah.
135.
I have to hit one of those.
Hold on. So 1,
And now you
One
too.
time.
Yeah.
Get lucky.
2, 300. 300. Yeah, 35.
I'm behind.
33.
I want to flop it.
Make it 35 or 33. Side putt, that's a side putt, right?
No,
Yeah.
oh, there you are.
Ah,
Huge size one.
This is size pot, huh?
side putt.
Let's see those cards.
Everybody open.
You open first.
I have two
Okay, 2 times. You.
I call this all in.
Yeah,
No,
yeah.
you the one who
Aces?
raised. You
Yeah, I
have
got
more
aces.
chips than him.
Okay,
Kings.
10. I don't have 1. Two of them. Yeah.
Just give me an ace. 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 Oh, wow. You guys got milk big time. Holy shit. That's the power of milkman. Skills and luck, brother. Skills and luck.
Yeah,
Fuck is right.
I agree.
Skills and luck, right?
I agree.
Filipino represent.
Yeah. Peace.
Peace. Me, I love poker. I'm gonna eat after.